This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
In this video, we'll be looking at how to add your Google Analytics code or your Google Search Console code onto your Squarespace site. So I'm going to do one just for Google Analytics, but the same stats will work if you're using your Google Search Console and you're wanting to link that. So what we'll do is to first go over to the Analytics site, click on Admin, then go to under Property, we're going to go to Tracking Info, then click Tracking Code. And here's our Google site tag. So we're going to just select it all, hit Control C. Next, we'll go into Settings, then scroll down to Advanced. Click where it says Code Injection. And here in our footer, we're going to delete this so we can focus on the Google tag code. We're going to paste this code in the footer. In the header. Your Google code should always go in the header. So I'm going to just hit Control V to paste it in. Now, if you're using the Google Search Console, they're going to give you an option to add a meta tag, and that's the option that you're going to use for Squarespace. And you're going to paste that in also here in the header and just hit Save. So once it's there in the header and your site is a public site, your site will be recognized by Google. However, if it's a private site, of course, no one can see it, Google included. Right.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.